This is just a quick overview of how to use the history of any WikiHow page. So for any page, you just click on View History, and what you'll see is a long list of every edit that's ever been made to the page. With each edit is a new version. So if you want to compare two versions, the last two are automatically selected. So when you click Compare Selected Versions, it'll show you what the change was with the most recent edit. In this case, you can see that an image was added, and this is the image that was added. You can compare any two versions of the page, no matter how far apart they are. So for example, let's say I want to compare the page from the way it was when it was first started to how it is now. I would simply go to the very first revision down here in 2007, select that one. The most recent one is already selected by default, and click Compare Selected Versions. And there you'll see how the page has changed. This one hasn't changed that much, but it's been improved. If you want to look at a particular edit, for example, let's say I want to see what user Flickety did to the page. I'll click the older one first. That's always a secret to getting this right. So I'll select the one before her edit, and then the one with her edit, and then press Compare Selected Versions. And you'll see that she just added a category so that the page could be found more easily. If a person made several edits back to back, you can see what those edits were all in one screen. So in this case, let's say I want to see all the edits that BR made to this page, who also happened to have started the page. I'd select the first edit, and then I'd select his last edit. If I select this one, I would see her edit as well, but I don't want to see hers, I just want to see his. Then I click Compare Selected Versions, and not much has changed except he figured out how to create related WikiHows. So that's pretty much how it works. Remember, when you want to compare two versions, you always want to select the older one first, and then select the more recent one, and then you'll see how the page has changed.